Hey everyone, it's Jessie. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the half double crochet into the front loop only. I worked up a swatch here so you could kind of see what kind of texture it gives. You'll want to start off with a row of half double crochets. If you're not sure how to do that, I'm going to link a video here. Go ahead, check that video out, and then come back here. So after every row, we are going to chain one and then turn our work. So this loop right here was our turning chain. And this is our very first half double crochet. So when you look at the top of the half double crochet, you're going to see a V here. This back bar here is called the back loop. This one here is called the front loop. And then when you turn it to the side, this diagonal bar here is called the horizontal bar or the third loop. But for today, we don't need to worry about that horizontal bar. So the first thing that you'll want to do is yarn over, and then we're going to go underneath this front loop here. So you'll just put your hook underneath that and up through the middle of that V. And then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three loops. So we'll go ahead and do that again. Yarn over, we'll go underneath this front loop here and up through the center of that V, yarn over, pull through, and then you'll just do a regular half double crochet. I'll do that again, up through the center of that V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And that is how you do the half double crochet into the front loop only. If this video was helpful, please give me a like below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.